Nani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Mina ngingane yamakhehla madala amakhehla amakhulu amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing lights for the world to become better. Namuhla, I just want to respond to people's request. Someone on social media just asked me to talk about what do you do before uya ehlane. Ihlane is treated like amanzi. Before you go to ihlane, kuzomela ukuthi uzile and ungazili ukudla, uzile ngisho ucansi, ukhulekise naleli hlane oyakulona, ulikhulekise. Let's say you have planned ukuthi uye ehlane on a Sunday. So let's say next week Sunday ngiya ehlane. The beginning of this week, I just have to gizile, drink water, and stay prayerful. I need to be clean. I need to just connect with God. So, ukzila ucansi, ukzila inyama. You can eat other foods and you can pray at 3 a.m., go to work. When you come back, you pray before sunset. It depends ukuthi ubuya ngobani isikhathi ekhaya, kodwa nje ukhuleke and then uyele kahle ehlane. And ideally you can even go there alone. Uma ulibonisiwe ihlane indawo lekumele ukuthi uye khona, you have to go there alone. You don't have to go there with people, because ezinye iy'ngilosi, ezinye iy'dalwa zifuna vele ukuthi uyihlangabeze uye entabeni, uye ehlane okanye uye emanzini. It depends. Asifanani, iy'ngilosi zethu azisebenzi ngokufana. And if wena yakhe ingilosi akusiyona ingilosi ezokusehlane, or you've never seen or heard bakutshela ukuthi kumele uye ehlane, it's still okay. Pray ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho. And the next thing I want to touch on is, as you are growing in the spirit, you are showing iy'ngubo ngokwamaphupho, uyayithungisa, uyayizenza, uyayikhulekisa, uyayigqoka, ukhuleka ngazo all the time. And every time uboniswa iy'ngubo, it represents a certain power. It represents amandla, So when you pray using it, already when you penetrate the spiritual realm, you ungena urepresenta le ngilosi oyiyona, le ngubo oyifakile. So it's not easy. People abasebeyiphakamisile iy'ngubo zabo, they go through so much. Bayalwisa, they get so many attacks. But you getting those attacks, it does not mean ukuthi kumele uyeke ukuyigqoka ingubo yakho. You must continue to pray, because of obvious people in the spirit can see that uyakhula, unamandla, usunamandla manje. Ngoba usunamandla bazozama ukukulwisa. So you don't back down, because of God has made a way for you, and yena umveli nqangi uvumile ukuthi ume la umi khona. Methembe ngayo yonke inhliziyo yakho, ukhale kuyena, ugijimele kuyena, ucele yena ukuthi akuvikele ngaso sonke isikhathi, bese uyamemeza akwenzele uncedo. Because of what I'm learning is that other people out there, even with myself, when you level up, when you get your clothes, when you get what you need to get, you will definitely get attacks. And once you get those attacks, it says a lot about you. It says amandla akhona. But if you are getting things and then you're not getting attacked, but if you are getting those attacks, or if kunento nje ezama ukukudistract, just know that usendleleni enhle kakhulu, usendleleni eqondile, right. Do not be distracted. Qina ukhuleke ungayeki. Inkosi isazokwambulela, inkosi isazokukhanyisela, inkosi isazokubonisa izinto abantu abazenzayo la ngaphandle. Kodwa ngoba isithanda sonke inkosi, nawe iyakuthanda, izokwenzela konke konke okuhle. Injalo nje. I love you so much, guys. Akube ubumbano, akube uzwano nothando. For today, at least I've touched 2 things that people want me to respond to. Izingubo kanye futhi nokuya ehlane. Kodwa personally ihlane akusaseyinto engihamba kangaka ngihamba ngisasephakathi phansi kwenkonzo. Kodwa nje ezikhathini zamanje akukho ukuthi ngiye ehlane. Kodwa njengoba sengishilo ukuthi izingilosi ayifanani. Mhlambe yakho iyadinga ukuthi uye ehlane, iya ukhuleke wathola amandla. Ngoba ukuya ehlane kufana ukuthi uyothatha amandla ubuye usunamandla bese ke hawo kuyalunga, kuyakhanya, kuyacaca. Akube umusa nothando. Mwah.